Good Sense, brought to you by America First Credit Union.
Yeah, welcome back to Good Things Utah, everybody. Nicole is back on the show from America First Credit Union, and we are answering your money questions today. It's a good time to do this, Nicole, because it is the holiday season, and we're being bombarded with, get this credit card, this interest rate, buy this for Christmas. So here's the first viewer question. Aside from the interest rate, what are the most important things to look for when evaluating choices for a credit card?
Okay, so you want to make your credit card work for you. So you need to be looking at cash back or points, whatever works for you. But when you're using your credit card for transactions, you want to make it work for you. You want to be getting something out of that for using it. So look into the cash back rewards, look into the points rewards. Those are really important. The other thing is look at the added perks. For example, the America First Visa credit card. We have Card Guard, which protects you where you can have security on your card, turn it on and off whenever you may suspect fraud or you just want to have that extra level of protection. The other thing is we have ABC deals. So it's an opportunity for you to look for deals in the area based on your geographic location or what is going on around you, so you can look for deals. And the other thing is identity theft protection. And all of that is included for free with the America First Visa card.
Do you caution against when we're out there shopping and you get this percentage off your purchase if you sign up for a credit card? Do you caution against too many?
Yes. The reason for that is because a lot of us will sign up for those offers, and it's an introductory offer. So you'll get that interest rate and you'll get that offer for a short period of time, but then they'll bump your interest rate up. So unless you're really good about making sure you pay that off quickly, it's going to come back and be difficult for you to pay off in the long run.
So many of us forget, right? We don't read the fine print. We're excited to get 20% off our purchase, and then we're saddled with an even bigger interest rate than we ever thought. America First is so involved in the community, and there are a lot of events coming up. If you're doing some planning, everybody, first, Santa's arrival at City Creek.
Yes, on the 16th, Santa's going to arrive at City Creek, and we have so many fun things that we're involved with at City Creek. We have our Innovation Center down there, so if you haven't had the opportunity to stop in the Innovation Center, stop in and see us. But we sponsor Santa's arrival. We also sponsor Santa's lantern. So if you haven't been to City Creek, it's amazing. It's beautiful. Santa's in the lantern. You can schedule an appointment to go have your picture taken with him. And if you use your America First Visa or debit card, you get 50% off those pictures.
Well, it's such a cool little spot too. I don't know if you've been, but it's right by the food court area, and Santa's just right outside. It's magical. I didn't know he was coming so soon.
Yes, he's coming the week before Thanksgiving. So mark that on your calendars, go down. We also sponsor the fountain show that's right outside the Innovation Center. It's beautiful. It's themed to holiday music. So go down to go down to City Creek and take in all the sights down there.
Okay, so if you can't make it to City Creek, but you can make it to Station Park, when does Santa arrive there?
Okay, Santa arrives at Station Park, and these are so many dates to keep track of.
You have to bring notes.
On the 18th at 5:30 at Station Park, and then the other offer there is that we sponsor the ice skating rink. So if you want to go down and see Santa, go ice skating, you get 50% off your ice skating when you use your America First Visa or debit card.
It's the perfect day to talk about that. It just got chilly, didn't it?
Outside,
and now
overnight.
You can go see Santa, go ice skating, and finally a big movie is coming out that America First is part of.
So we do a movie premiere twice a year in May and then in December, November timeframe. But this year it's Star Wars, The Last Jedi. So go online to America First Facebook page. You can enter to win free tickets. We are doing this on December 15th is the movie premiere. We are in 12 theaters throughout Utah. We're giving away over 2,000 tickets, so make sure you go on Facebook and enter to win.
Just that little movie, maybe you've heard of.
Yeah.
It's huge.
So exciting.
It's going to be huge this holiday season. It pays to be an America First Credit Union member. For all the information, go to our website, everybody, goodforutah.com/GTU, and check out the America First Facebook page as well. Nicole, thank you so much
for
stopping by. Brian?